Hi there! In this video, I will show you how to download Handbrake in Windows 10. Go to this website and just click download. So, Handbrake is a tool for converting video to any format and compress video to a smaller size. After the download is finished, open it and install it. Now I'll give an example on how to compress video. Compressing and converting video to another format is almost the same. For converting, the only option available is convert into MKV or MP4. For compressing, here is my way to do that. First, go to Filters tab. Look for Denoise. Change to NL means. Preset to light. Now go to Video tab. Change video codec to H265, X265. Change the constant quality to 24 RF. Then go to Audio tab. Change the bitrate to 128. Save as the file. Rename the file if you want. And click Start Encode. In this example, I'll show you compressing 1 hour 30 minutes video. The compression process will take some time depending on the video's duration. Now let's see the differences between pre-compressed and after-compressed. Notice how the size has been reduced quite a bit from before. The video quality difference is unnoticeable for me. So that's it. Hope it helps. Sorry if it doesn't. Thanks for watching.